Export and import orders in OrderPro easily with Microsoft Edge. First, locate the original estimate under Estimate Search by searching for the project name. Click the Estimate action icon to the left of the project line and click Export. Microsoft Edge will show the downloaded file at the top right of the browser. Click the file icon symbol to the left of the file name. The file will be saved with the OrderPro Estimate ID number as the name. Going back to your OrderPro session, start a new estimate. At the top of your estimate page, click Import and select Choose File. Search your Downloads file and select the exported OrderPro document and click Open. When the document name shows up in the Import window, click Import. When the import is complete, you will notice that every line is highlighted in red with attention required. Since this is a new transaction, you will be required to go through the Factory PO Information button. Fill out all required information and complete with the click of the Finish button at the top. You will be returned to your estimate page. The red highlights that were previously seen on the lines are now yellow. To clear the yellow highlights, click Validate All button. Once the validation have cleared the lines, the yellow highlights will disappear. Then whenever you're ready, you can place the order into the factory by clicking the Place Order button at the top of your estimate page. Thank you for your continued support in using Seco OrderPro, and we will look forward to seeing your purchase orders come through into the factory.